This is Dr. Silo, Mathematics Doctor. So today we are going to solve this question, a very simple question. It's on indices. As you can see that we are having the third square root of everything that is in here, which is 5 to the power 2 plus 8 to the power 2 minus 5 to the power 2. So we are required to solve this question or to evaluate this question. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we'll first work out what is inside before we touch this part of the root. So now what I'm going to do, the first step is that you write your third root. Then you look at this part, you can see that this is 5 to the power 2, which means 5 times 5. Plus, you can see that this is 8 to the exponent or to the power of 2, which is 8 times 8. Minus, this is 5 to the power 2, which means 5 times what? 5. Good class. Okay, so now the next thing that you do, you have to compute or to evaluate what is inside here. So you write the third root. This is the third root. Okay, so now when you multiply a 5 times 5, you get a 25. Plus 8 times 8, you get what? 64. Minus 5 times 5, what are you going to get? Sorry, 8. Okay, 5 times 5, what are we going to get? Is what? 25. Next, you write the third root just like that as usual. So when you add this 25 plus 64, you are going to get what? 89 minus 25. Okay, so now the next step, again, you write the third root of whatsoever you get from here. When you subtract 25 from 89, what you remain with is 64. So now, here our question has not ended. We are still asked to evaluate, to solve this question. So here you can see that we have the third root of 64. So the third root of 64, we'll do it from this point. This simply means third root of 64. It simply means we are looking for a number that when you multiply that very number, that very digit, 3 times, because this is what is telling you what to do. 3 times you are supposed to get a 64. And that number that we're looking for, a third root of 64 is a 4. When you say 4 times 4 times 4, you get a what? You get 64. So meaning our answer is 4. So this is our answer. And see you next time. Shalom, shalom.